Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you 3 idioms and phrases that you can use in your day-to-day conversation. The first one is break a leg. Yes, break a leg. This idiom means to wish someone good luck. You can use it in any situation where you want to show your support for someone. For example, you could say break a leg to a friend who is going to a job interview, a performance or a big game. Second idiom is hit the nail on the head. This idiom means to say something that is exactly right. You can use it in any situation where you want to agree with someone or compliment them on the insight. For example, you could say you hit the nail on the head to a colleague who has made a good point in a meeting or to a friend who has given you good advice. The third phrase is my favorite, piece of cake. This phrase means that something is very easy to do. You can use it in any situation where you want to downplay the difficulty of something. For example, you could say this is going to be a piece of cake to a friend who is about to do something that is very easy for them. So there you have it, 3 idioms and phrases you can use in your day-to-day conversation. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more English tips. Thank you for watching.